In this video, I want to show you how to download and install Epic Games. To do that, open your browser and search for Epic Games. Hit the enter key. When it opens, you can click on this Epic Games Store or you can click on Download Epic Games Launcher. So let's click on this Download Epic Game Launcher. So when it opens, you can click on this download or come down here. Here you will see install on Windows. It's also available on Mac OS, Android, iPhone, and so on. So we are downloading for Windows. I'll click on this install on Windows. So this will start the download. It has started downloading. So in few minutes it will be downloaded. After downloading, let's go to where we have it. Come to download. Here is it, Epic Installer. Double click to launch the installation. So here we are. Click on install to start the installation. The installation of the Epic Game Launcher has started. And this may take few minutes. Let me close this page. This may take several minutes depending on your system capacity. Yes, let's wait while we start the update. After installing the Epic game, we look for updates and download the current update and install it as well. So you can see the update is about 715 MB. So just make sure you are connected to the internet and also make sure your internet is strong to make the installation smooth. So after installation, here is it. You can see the shortcut on the desktop. So just click to launch it. Yes, when you open it, if you already have an account, you can sign in into Epic Games. Just enter your email and your password and sign in into Epic Game. And also you have different options to sign in. You can sign in through your Google account. You can sign in through Facebook and other means of signing. And if you don't have account, you can click here to create your own account. So I will show you how to create the account. Just click on create your own account. It will bring this page. Just scroll down and click on no or yes, whichever one is applicable to you. Then here we are on the account creation page. Here you are expected to enter your date of birth. So let me just enter the date of birth and click on continue. Here you are to fill all this information, your country, your full name, your display name and password. Just fill it, then check the term of service and click on continue. Here a verification code will be sent to your email. So a verification code has been sent to my email. Let me open my email. Click on the Gmail, and here is the Epic Games email. So let me copy the code. You can copy it or just take note of it. Then let's go back to the account creation page. Enter that code here and click on verify email. Once you click on verify email, it will bring this page. So you can link it with other accounts. Just click on link, done linking. Then it's preparing Epic Games. Yes, let me maximize this. This is the interface of Epic Games, and here you can see different games under store. You can go through and see different games that are available. So if you are interested in any game, you can scroll down here and check for the game.